Good morning. It's the 28th of February, 2026. And this is what it looks like after a rainstorm and a non-commercial grade company doing sewage work in Indian Rocks mobile home estates. They needed to find the water lines, so they dug right behind my home. And they've breached the seal between the skirting and the ground, so now animals can get in. This is how they've left all the water lines. These are all hacked to pieces. No shoring. All of the rain last night has flushed all this dirt in. There's already, you can see, washout on the sides. This is how they've left behind my home. Exposed internet wires. This is some form of groundwater removing tubes. I'm not sure what that's about, but that one's broken. This is a sinkhole that's forming next to my shed, which is directly next to my concrete pad, which is going to end up collapsing. The name of the company doing the work is Romo Plumbing, and they are in Largo, Florida. They've been told to cease and desist by the county because they are not a registered commercial plumbing company. They are residential only. And this is considered a commercial job. So, and this is the mess outside and front. As you can see, all the washout here. This is a direct result, ladies and gentlemen, of failed leadership at the board of directors level. Just what it is. It's unfortunate that we have incompetence on a level that's staggering. You have people who have not worked in 15 or 20 years thinking they can do whatever they'd like. And this is unfortunate. Leave your thoughts in your comments. Maybe call Romo Plumbing in Largo, Florida, and ask them if they have a commercial license. And see if they lie to you. God bless everyone. Be safe. Stay sane out there.